How to find gender settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and here we'll find personal info. Click on it and then click and then here's it, gender. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.